screenshot of the items and then just like send them to me.
Okay.
Oh,
I
this is
need to see
fucking
this
insane.
shit.
Dude, I need to get the heck out of here.
This guy's rough.
Ooh, that hurt. I'm dead.
That's kind of. No.
I couldn't get my turret down fast enough. I couldn't get my turret or my shield
Jackson,
down
I'm coming to
fast enough,
help.
and I just
Oh
got
no, you
melted.
already killed him. Wow. Wow, you must be hacking. That's it. I'm just like running away
Jesus
around.
Christ,
waiting for my
Ari's
coils.
so quick now. Ari. Ari's huge too, though. Not as big as Jackson, but he's pretty huge.
I found TP. Should I? Okay,
And we're also double glass, by the way.
Yeah.
Ari, Ari, you almost one-shot him.
guys,
Yeah.
send help.
What's
I
up?
can't. Why can't I spectate anybody but whoever I like?
Jackson. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh shit, I'm almost dead. Turret, heal
Feels
me.
bad. I
thanks,
always
man.
get stuck on Ari spectating. No offense, Ari, but like,
Well, yeah, if you can only spectate one guy, it's just dumb.
well, it's because you guys
They
had
need
to
to
leave
fix
and
that.
reconnect. So.
Right.
Oh yeah. Also, Logan, we had about 70 drones of everything.
Yeah,
Ooh,
let's
Ari.
activate teleporter.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's almost dead. Don't worry.
My coil's going ham.
Yo. Okay, let's just start the portal. Start the portal.
All right, coil, do it again, baby.
Well, all Jackson has to do apparently.
Be-
between
be
everything
careful,
is
you guys
just
won't
click
have as
R
many
and place
heals.
on a turret.
Like, I don't have as many heals as Jackson, but
Oh,
it's-
teddy bear
it's
saving
done.
me. Oh my gosh.
Right over here.
Yeah, Ari's analing him.
Okay.
So.
I can't.
The
get hit
coils,
by
baby.
That shit.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, Ari's dead.
I told you, you can't get hit by that shit.
Yeah.
I literally. Okay, I'm spectating Ari's dead screen.
am.
I'm just spectating Ari's dead screen right
Yeah,
now.
that happens.
Yep.
That happened to me before.
Okay, well now everything's just a boss, so.
Oh, it's that point of the game.
That Stone
Yep.
Titan is. Holy.
Oh my god, Jackson's gone.
Okay, Tim.
Yeah, you can't get hit by
I'm
that.
trying. I'm trying. I need to use my coils like to kill these guys, basically. I just gotta like get it back over there with my.
Turrets are still up. One's gone.
Oh, one died. I just can't get hit by these guys. They will one-shot me. That's what happened last time. No.
I got touched by the
Fuck,
fucking
this is
poison
14.
bullet.
Mm-hmm.
Guys,
Oh no! Okay, most of those guys died.
wait, guys, I figured out how to always win. How to get the 20 rounds. You just have to only play engineer and get an incredible build, and then only find Dio's best friend from there.
Oh! There's just a mini. Oh!
God, I wish I could actually spec you.
Luckily, my coils are going ham, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is that him right there?
Yeah.
Try and get close to his turrets if you can, if you need to heal.
His turrets are
They're
gone.
dead.
Oh, they're dead, though.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh my god. Dude, there's so much.
Yeah.
He doesn't regen, so you got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Yeah, that's what I did.
All those beetles.
I don't have one fuel cell somehow. Oh my gosh, guys.
All your coils are going ham.
Yeah. No, they procced too early.
It's okay. They're still doing damage to him, so
That's true, because it chains all the way back there.
did like. Okay.
It's actually super funny because like when I look at Rescuer 2, I can see who's died and who's still alive. It shows
That's
you know,
cool.
Wilbur. Shows Wilbur, Jackson are dead, and Chicken just negative. Well, how much max HP did you go?
Guys,
Okay, and then how much negative did you go into?
Whoa. Tim's hacking.
Oh, you. Whoa.
let's go.
What was the
Come on, baby.
Let's go. You went down by like 1,000.
negative 7,000?
You just gotta keep. Dude, there's so many of those of those oil boys. Yeah, I couldn't get my shield down. It just wouldn't pop. Yeah, you just. Yeah, you just gotta have your coil. You just gotta coil and then run away. There you go, dude.
The hell
Oh
is
my
going on
down
down there?
What is happening?
I feel
What
they're
is-
gonna
What
have-
is happening? I can only see like part of it. There's so many wisps.
I feel like they're gonna have to make the 20 round of fire rate. That's nutty.
Yeah, he is.
Yes, he is.
He's in that mess of fucking whatever the hell that is. Nice, nice. Oh, you killed one of the
Wow,
boys.
cool. Thanks. Yeah, legit.
Yeah. Oof.
Where's the boss?
What?
Oh my gosh.
True. I don't know.
Tim?
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah, legit.
Okay, so Tim, by the way,
I just gotta watch the ground.
so
I will die if you fist me.
Tim, the item that you get from defeating an elite boss at Monsoon is called Brainstorms.
No.
Yeah, we talked about it, dude. It's. Oh.
It's killing an
Insane.
elite boss.
What is that?
Dude, what is happening? How is it still going? I was like
It's
not
the
even
vacuum.
paying attention.
It's the vacuum. No, no, no!
No!
I'm dead.
Dead.
No!
No!
I just got stuck on that shitty thing. Fuck. Oh my gosh, dude.